Any luck? Sir, we couldn't find anything. That means you just need to try harder. We've been searching for weeks, sir, and she's nowhere to be found. What is it now? These two are failing our task. We can't find Azrah. Oh, really? Well, if you can't find Azrah, then I guess I'll turn down the offer. And what offer is that? If you accept our offer, you'll never have to be hungry ever again. So you're saying we get first pick? Why, of course. That is as if you found Azrah. How hard is it to find a black wolf? If you don't find Azrah in 3 days, I'll hunt you down and kill both of you. Oh, Garnet, don't be so harsh on them. We'll give you a week. But we can't just go on our own. Can you please send us more members? I hate to waste my members on Azrah, but I'll do anything to catch her. I'm getting a bit worried about our pack. Yes, I know. After we find Azrah, we'll get every wolf we can possibly find. You really think that'll work? Why, of course. We have the biggest wolf pack in the valley. We'll take down every single wolf pack we find. And Azrah will be ours. No more running away. Do you smell that? Smell what? Never mind. Let's go grab some herbal tea. This'll do. I have to warn them. Another one of your bad ideas. Well, the pups sure love it here. They sure do. Well, it definitely was worth it, despite traveling for weeks. Kota, get down from there. This place is so magical. It's the perfect place, but it's going to be pretty hard to defend it. Feels like a mansion. There's coyote dens even in trees. Yeah, well, that's true, but we can always live in those trees, but I prefer my dirt dens. So what exactly is your plan? We'll find the nearest wolf pack and get some help. Are you crazy? Wolves will eat me up. We are not doing this, we're not doing this, we are not doing this. Lucky for us, we found wolves. Now come on and let's leave. Not too fast. Put me down, please, please. This is animal torture. Do you smell that? Pups, get into the den. They don't see me, they don't see me. Get out of our territory. We said to get out of our territory. I'm not a threat. I just came to warn you. Warn us about what? We don't trust coyotes here, now leave. Summit, wait. Looks like you caught dinner, too. Come and get me then if you think I'm that dumb. Listen, I'll explain everything. There's this pack, and they have about 30 members. It's the biggest pack in the valley. I don't know what the pack's name is, but they're hunting for a wolf called Azrah. Azrah? She's just putting it in your head now. Leave, please. Azrah is a black wolf. Do you know her? I do. She's my sister. Come with me and tell me everything. Here we go again.